So in this video, we're going to talk about Charles Schwab. They are a stock brokerage firm on Wall Street, and as you can see, the stock is dipping 4% on Friday after the company announced their metrics for November. Now, before we get into the charts, let's get into this article. So Charles Schwab experienced a 4% drop in share value on Friday after the company released its November metrics that elicited a variety of responses from industry analysts. Now, here's what the company had to say. They announced that their core net new assets from new and existing clients reached $29 billion, 17% rise from the previous month. Also, Charles Schwab's total client assets increased by 4.6% to 10.31 trillion, with new brokerage accounts growing 8% to 357,000. That's pretty impressive. The company had raised its full-year net growth forecast between 3 and 3.5%. That is up from 2 to 3%. That's good news. Analysts at TD Cowen responded positively to the company's raised revenue guidance for the fiscal year, which suggested a fourth quarter estimate of approximately 90 cents, slightly higher than the consensus. TD Cowen noted that asset flows and month-over-month cash accumulation did not meet their expectations. Now, Citi analysts highlighted robust trading activity and margin balance growth, with an average sequential increase of around 4%. They did, however, point out that the net new assets were below projections again and anticipate a slower December in trading activity. Okay, so here's why the good news was offset. It's pretty much about projected forecasts being below expectations. All right, so we're just going to start with the monthly chart and go down to the weekly and then to the daily chart. And I do want to point to your eyes, a level of interest that I had would have been right here on the monthly chart. And that you can see, yes, although price did breach this monthly buyer's level at $52, price did not close below that level, right? And after price reacted, it did pull back to fill any remaining unfilled buy orders before moving higher. All right, now on the flip side, you have some sell side interest, levels of interest on the sell side at about $88. If we go to the weekly chart, love this level, not on high volume, but nevertheless, that is a rally base and a rally out, making that weekly buy level nested or on top of a weekly or monthly level rather. Very strong buy level. Once upon a time, we did have a sell level, which worked out. But now, price is in an uptrend, at least on the daily chart. It's following the broader markets. So I'm going to take this off the chart. And we're going to go down to the daily chart because there is a setup. See this local pivot high? The reason why price based for 2 days before gapping higher, that was a sell level. That basing gave you an indication that, again, price was in an uptrend, that price was going to break through. Now what is price going to do? It's going to revisit that level, that origin of the breakout. And so this becomes a daily buy level. Now again, this is not an S setup because price is within this range. Right? You have an imbalance, buyers and sellers north of $85, an imbalance between buyers and sellers south of $60. Inside here is just equilibrium. However, again, price is in an uptrend. Price did break this local high. And so here's the setup. You want confirmation though. Price pulls back, gives you some type of indication that it wants to go higher on a, say, a 4-hour chart, with the target being at this $88 level. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.